Integrated Road Accidents Database. IRAD project is an initiative of MORTH taken up in an attempt to enhance road safety in India. This project is being jointly implemented by MORTH, NIC NIXI, and IIT Madras and is funded by the World Bank. NIC NIXI has carried out the design, development of IRAD application, provisioning for cloud infrastructure, user training and hand-holding support from district level to central level, help desk establishment, and overall implementation of IRAD project. IIT Madras is involved in architectural design, training, accident data analytics, and research activities. MORTH is responsible for coordination, managing IRAD project implementation, accident data analytics based decision making towards strategy formulation for enhancing road safety in India. Major responsibility of data entry rests with the police department for capturing the relevant road accident details. This follows by vehicle inspection request generated to MVI of Transport Department. On completion of vehicle inspection, an accident information report is generated. Accident site inspection request is received by the highway engineers of Highway Department. Post completion of inspection, the data is disseminated to multiple stakeholders under whose area of operation the accident site comes in. The project stakeholders and implementation partners are MORTH, the Police Department, Transport Department, Roads and Highways, Health, Emergency Response System or the ambulance, Insurance and Court. Implementation partners are MORTH, NIC, and IIT Madras. The main objective of the IRAD project is to collect each and every road accident data happening throughout the country to prepare a database. Analysis of the database using data analytics technique to understand the cause of the accident. Accordingly, formulate new policies to facilitate reduction in the number of road accidents and improve the road safety in our country. Thus, accident data acts as the backbone of the IRAD project. The project objectives and its outcomes are as follows. The software development, that is development of IRAD application for collection of road accident data. Data collection, that is road accident data collection from all parts of India using IRAD application by stakeholder users. Data analytics, data analytics for identification of cause of accident and generation of various types of insights. Strategy and policy formulation, analytics for apex authorities and formulation of new policies and strategies to enhance road safety. The project outcome is safe roads for all, that is, enhanced road safety in our country. The key features and functionalities of IRAD application are as follows. Workflow login credential based access or roles and workflow maintaining organizational hierarchy, capturing of GPS location of accident sites, SMS alert to all stakeholders, hosting of web application in government data center, compliance of web security guidelines of Government of India, adoption of open source RDBMS for storing data, integration of IRAD web and mobile apps with external systems like CCTNS, Vahan, Sarathi, etc. How to download IRAD application? Open any web browser, enter the link irad.parivahan.government.in in the URL and click search. The web page will appear. For live Android application, click on IRAD Live app. Similarly, for IRAD web application, click on IRAD Live web app. For demo or practice purposes, click on IRAD Demo app for Android application and IRAD Demo web app for web application. To download the user manual, click on User Manual to download. How to install iRAD application? Click on iRAD Live Web App or Live App. APK file will be downloaded. Open the file, read the permissions and click on Install. The application will be installed. For web application, click on iRAD Live Web App. It will open in the web browser.